to Shayanita's engaging classroom, where learning meets fun. Hey guys, I am Shayanita. How are you all? Are all of you ready for Halloween? Good. So, 1 week isn't over yet, and here I am with another sweet little, fabulous, mind-blowing, and entertaining video. So let us start. Today we are going to cover the part 5 of drum rolls please. HTML. Okay, now what happened in the part 1? We did some basic little coding. On part 2, we tried making tables in HTML. On part 3, we studied about all the different tags. On part 4, we tried doing HTML in Hindi, English, Spanish, German. Wait, did we do it in German? I think in French. I don't remember exactly. So, now, if you're interested in any of them or if you haven't watched them, don't watch this video. First, watch all of them. Because in today's lesson, we are going to do HTML tags for the family and subscribers of Shinina's Engaging Classroom. And you know why it is this? Because HTML tasks means basically I'm going to give you 3 tasks and you need to make them and do them in HTML. Now I've already taught you how to make a PowerPoint, how to make an HTML file. So I'm not going to tell you again. If you have a laptop, then please do it. I don't know if you can do it on a tab or phone, but I think you can probably. Just try it out. And if you do have a device, do this lesson, and in the next lesson, I'm gonna show all their answers, right? So not a big deal, try all of these. This video is gonna be really short, because this is like a revision task for you. And yeah, you can just, this is like a revision in the middle, because we're gonna learn loads of stuff on HTML. So this is like a revision lesson. Right? So this is your task 1. You need to make a very simple Hello Kitty page. What's your goal? Make a simple HTML page that says Hello Kitty in English and in Hindi. Now, some people might not have this in their computer, this Hindi version of Hello Kitty. So I'm going to copy paste this. You can also write it in French and German, but Hindi uses different letters. That's why I'm doing this, and I could have done Arabic, but I couldn't find it in Google, Hello Kitty and Arabic. So that's why I did it in Hindi. I just selected a random language that came to mind. Right, so first requirements, you need to use H1, heading 1, font for Hello Kitty in English. You need to write that. Below it, you need to write the Hindi version of Hello Kitty. And I'm gonna copy paste that for you in the description box. You can copy and paste it in there inside a paragraph tag. How you're going to do it, think about it, what you're gonna do it from my last videos. You also need to add a background to it, and you need to save the file as Hello Kitty. Alright, this is how you save it. Here's one. I'm going to explain it once again. I didn't do what it's going to look like, because you need to use your imagination. You can make the title of the page any way you want. Just do whatever you want, but the main requirements are these. You can add on later. Right? So task 1 is complete. Very simple, very easy task. And by the way, soon enough I'm going to open a map and a English classroom as well as with the computer classroom. Okay, now task 2 again, very simple. It's the introduction. So task 2 is my introduction page, basically your introduction. What's your goal? You need to create a basic HTML page that shows your introduction. So So requirements, you need to use page 2 for your name. You need to write your class, school, or house address, or you can use all of them in paragraph tags, so in paragraph forms. And you also need to add a light blue background using something. That's like a hint. You need to change your font color, like all of the font colors to dark blue. This is pretty simple for you, so not big. Now task 3. Here comes the really big. Task 3 is the population table. So your goal is to make a simple HTML table showing the population of 3 countries. Now, so the top part of it, which is the heading of the page, can be country population in H2, no matter what font. And you need to choose any 2 countries. So what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna choose 9 countries and have their population shown in the description box. I'll copy and paste it there. You can check and choose any 3 of them and do that. Okay, there's gonna be 3 European countries, 3 Asian countries, and 3 African countries, right? Okay, I can also something like that. So you can choose any of them, no issues. Any 3 of them. And I already showed you how to use these. And you see the complex stuff, which I said the pixel and stuff, you can go and check out my second video and copy them from there. It's not a big deal. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for today. Until next time, it's me, Shayanita, dropping off. And please do this. Also like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And well done. When you've seen this, you're not doing a mindless candy game, but doing something useful. I don't expect all of you to have a computer, so if you don't have, that's not a big problem. What you can do is just either use your parents' computer with their permission, or else you can just, anyways, I'm going to show all these answers in the next class, so it's not a big deal. And task 2 and 3, you can name the file anything, your choice again. So, and maybe one of you will grow up and become a computer engineer or something like that. And then you'll think about me that when I was a child, or if you're an adult now, when I was a bit younger, there was a girl, a random girl named Shayanita, who taught me all these lovely and interesting stuff. So anyways, now seriously, bye, and stay calm, stay progressed, keep progressing. So until next time, it's me, Shayanita, dropping off. Bye bye.